Hello, one, it's December 17th. All right, let's do this. Yesterday's problem, we got a TLE, and turns out I need to think about the problem the other way around, from back to front instead of from front to back. That was the key to this, but we'll deal with it some other time. We have another stock buying and selling problem. Two integer prices and strategy. Prices is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Oh yeah, and today is definitely half an hour. Yesterday I think I was sucked in and I did about an hour, which is, not ideal. Strategy represents a trading action on the ith day where this indicates buy, 0 to hold, I is to sell. You're also given an even integer k, and it may perform most one modification to strategy. A modification consists of selecting exactly k consecutive elements in strategy. Set the first half of them to 0. Set the last half of them to 1. The profit is defined as the sum of strategy I times prices across all days. Return the maximum possible profit you can achieve. There are no constraints on budget or stock ownership, so all buy and sell operation feasible. So basically we just want to know how you change to make the sum maximum, right? And you can do k consecutive elements. So we're looking at a sliding window, I think. And the first, so yeah, we just slide window the whole thing, I guess. We can actually try. So we have price is 428. Do you have to do it? It may perform at most one modification. Okay, you can only do one. So I can just, so this is the price and this is the strategy, is this, this, and this, right? So if I don't do anything, so the profit is 4, right? This is I don't do anything. So if I now want to do one modification, so it's just sliding window, I can do this or I can do this. So if I do the first two, then this will be 0, this will be 1. And it'll be 10, so this will give us 10. If we do this, this will be 0, this will be 1. This is the same, so it's 8, it will be 4. So the answer is 10. So this is we don't do anything. Okay, so yeah, it's sliding window. So we go through the first one, so we get the profit. And then sliding window, we will have half of it. Okay, so basically we will compute the window. Yeah, we compute a window, we get a sum, and then when we move forward, every time we get, this is going to be a plus, and then on this side, because it's 0, so we don't do anything. Right, we're not losing, we don't minus, right? We just plus here, and okay, so we need a sum here. So we need a sum on this side, and then when we move, we'll remove whatever this one is, right? We remove this one is, add it to here, and then add back whatever gets ditched out, but we don't have to remove here because it's going to be 0. Okay, so that is how we're going to do this. Finally, this one is simpler. It doesn't require any. It's amazing that this problem will be the same level as the one yesterday. Yeah, the one yesterday I would say at least 2 levels more difficult. But there's nothing we can do. 3652. Sliding window, right, to compute the total profit as the modification is applied to different position, is applied to different stretches of the strategy. All right, so we'll say long rest, so equal to 0 for int I 0. Let's also get n equal to prices dot size and 0 I smaller than n I plus plus. So what we do here is plus equal to prices I multiplied by let's also set this to long. Okay, so this multiplied by strategy I. So this is the rest. And then we say int I need to know the total sum. We can probably do it 2 times. So, sliding window, okay, is 0, and then remaining is 0. Yeah, we'll do them separately. So for int I 0 smaller than k I plus plus. In fact, because it's gonna be k minus 2. K is an even number, right? So if k is equal to 4, 0, 1, 2, right? Starting from here, then we say sliding window, right? Sliding window plus equal to prices, because we set the strategy to 1, right? Okay, and then we have remaining is also 0, so we say for int I equal to k I smaller than n I plus plus, remaining plus equal to long. Oh, sliding window need to be a long as well, just in case. And then here long prices I multiplied by strategy I. Okay, so now everything ready. So I say sliding window the entire strategy. So for int I equal to, and we shall say rest shall equal to std maximum rest sliding window plus remaining. Okay, that's a start. So here we're gonna start from k plus 1. No, we start from k. That's the first one, right? I smaller than n I plus plus. And we also need the long remaining front. Okay, so this is a long. All right, so the thing is, front will get plus equal to long prices, because I is equal to I minus k, right? That's the one gets spit out, multiplied by prices multiplied by strategy I minus k, right? So this is the front, and then sliding window, well, plus equal to long prices. This is actually not right. prices I, right? So we add a new one, and remaining need to minus equal to long prices I multiplied by strategy I, and then rest will equal to maximum rest front plus sliding window plus remaining, and at the end I will return rest. And this is a setup sliding window. Okay, let's check. How is the second one wrong? So 7, right? And then remaining or minus equal to dash. So front oh, I see. Hold on. So this is without modification. Okay. Yeah, here is the issue. So when we move forward, someone will get removed, the halfway point, right? Because when you shift one of the halfway point is gonna turn to 0. Right? Every time we shift one of the halfway point into 0. So this will plus equal to this, and then minus prices something I minus k divided by 2. This is just kind of a, I'm not sure, but we'll see. So basically, let's say if it's 0 1 0 1 2 3, okay, and then when we move, it's going to be, yeah, I mean it'll be easier to do this, right? So we have 0 1 2 3. So this is current. Now I is equal to 4, right? So this is our new one. So who gets removed? This one gets removed, right? This one gets removed. What is this one? This is I is 4. I minus 1 2. Yeah, I minus k divided by 2. So k is 4. So I minus 2. So this gets removed, which means this is correct. Yeah, that was a oversight. Didn't pay attention to that. Yeah, should be right. Yep, that is, yeah, it was so much easier than yesterday. Okay, let's check a tutorial. Prefix sum. Yeah, you can do prefix sum. We did sliding window. We're using O1. We're using O1 and space. All right, so that's that. This is actually good. All right, how much time? 14 minutes. Yeah, that's usually how it takes when things move very smoothly. We have 6 more days. 6 more days to go. All right, I'll be it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.